In this video, I'll show you how to access Google Antigravity. First, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. It's important to know that Google Antigravity is not an app or a program that you install. Instead, it's a browser-based interactive experience. Next, open a website that hosts the Google Antigravity experience. Once the page loads, wait a few moments for the effect to begin. Now, interact with the page by clicking and dragging the Google logo, search box, and other page elements. You'll notice that the objects respond to gravity and can be moved freely around the screen. After that, continue experimenting by tossing the objects, stacking them, or moving them to different parts of the page. The experience is designed for fun and lets you interact with the Google homepage in a unique way. Finally, when you're finished, simply refresh the page or close the browser tab to return to the normal Google homepage. Since Google Antigravity is a web-based experience, there's nothing to download, install, or remove from your computer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to access Google Antigravity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.